Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a chickpea coconut curry. Of course it's vegan. So you're going to start out with carrots, garlic, and an onion. Now, however much garlic you want, that's really your choice. I chose 4 just because that's a good number. I use it for a lot of dishes. Now we're just going to chop up some carrots. I chopped these in half because I just wanted a big chunk for each bite, but I didn't want like little slivers. So now on the onion, just remove the peel or skin, whatever you want to call it. And we're just going to slice this. I diced it. You can have regular slices if you like. It's really your preference. So here's some mushrooms, and then we have our zucchini. And you can add whatever vegetable you want. I just thought zucchini would be very good. So there's some cilantro we have, and 2 cans of chickpeas and some spinach. Now we're making the rice here. It's a wild rice blend. I thought it'd be good for this. We have our 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. I'm adding some coconut, shredded coconut, and I added a bit of salt. And you know how to make rice, so you're just gonna bring this to a boil and then let it simmer. Okay, so now I'm gonna heat up a wok, and I'm adding a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to add the first ingredients we chopped, which is our onion, garlic, and carrots. You just want to caramelize these, so cook them maybe 10 minutes. Just don't let it burn, and you want the flavors to get released. So I'm adding some salt and pepper. Also, salt helps get liquids to release from the onions and stuff, so nothing is gonna burn. Once everything's getting caramelized, you're going to add in the zucchini and the mushrooms. You just want to cook this a little bit before we add in the coconut milk, so it gets a pre-cooked, so you don't have to let it simmer as long if you're in a rush. So here is the yogurt sauce we're doing. I'm adding lime, salt, and cilantro. I am adding 2 cups of coconut milk to our mixture. And I added some tomato puree just to give it a nice color, and the 2 cans of chickpeas. Now, tomato puree isn't necessary. I just thought it made it really look nice, and it didn't really taste that tomatoey, so I'm not worried about it affecting the flavor. And I add a bit more coconut flakes to the whole mixture and some more salt. Probably ended up using about a teaspoon of salt in this. The coconut wasn't overpowering at all in the final dish, so don't be afraid to add some coconut flakes. It's very nice. I added some more tomato sauce because, well, it just needed to be more red. Here I'm adding some lime juice, about a whole lime, and more salt. Now, I wanted the main flavors of this to be lime, like salt and cilantro. Like those are what I definitely want, and of course the coconut. So we're just going for a kind of tangy, rich flavor here. That's the best way to describe it. Here's the cilantro and the spinach. Now you want to add this towards the end, which is why I add it now, because this stuff is gonna lose flavor over time and you don't want the spinach to get too wilted. So now I'm plating this. I'm adding in our coconut rice, and I'm making a well in the middle sort of. And then I'm gonna plop in some of our curry, and I'm gonna put the yogurt on top and garnish with cilantro. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy.